This is a quick fix for a cheap mountain bike shocks. These tape don't have air in them. It's just basically a hard plastic plunger in an aluminum tube. Problem is they don't have any lubrication. They wear out fast and they start to give side play and everything else. You can prolong the life of them simply by drilling a hole in the side and shooting some lithium grease in it like this. These are hollow. Fill it right up, and that will extend the life. Extend the life of it. So, and you don't have to take them apart to fix them. So, loop them up. It's a quick fix. Like I said, there's no sealing properties in this tube. It's just basically a hard piece of plastic in there. Even the seal on the bottom isn't. It's just to keep the dust out. It's not sealed in any way. So, hope someone can use that info later.